Hello everyone, this is ThePandaPhotographer. This video is not sponsored by TMZ. I purchased this wagon with my own money. This is an update video to my last video about this wagon. This is my 220 pound TMZ professional wagon. Now we went through our fair shares of wagons in the past after you have saw my videos with some of the other wagons from Off-Zone Trail. Do not buy those wagons. They just keep falling apart and breaking down after 30 days. I had this wagon for more than 30 days. Actually, it's going up about 90 days now. And I have to give you guys an update. I had traveled to Chicago with this wagon while we were in Milwaukee. We also traveled to New York, which we are in New York at the International Hostel. I just want to show you my location so we can be very transparent and not deceive my audience. As you can see, we are in New York City. And I'm at the International HI New York City Hostel location. And as you can see, the wagons hold up pretty strong. We went to White Plains with this wagon. We traveled to Brooklyn multiple times with this wagon. Keep that in mind. We went to multiple photo shoots in New York with this wagon. And you know what? It holds up pretty stronger than the last two previous wagons from those other brands. Now, as I said, this video is not sponsored. I purchased this with my own money. I just want to show you what I have in here, just to give you an emphasis how much weight. I got my lighting stands, LED lights, softbox, all that good stuff in that bag. Got my clothes in here, which is about 40 pounds. Pelican kits, 35 pounds, and that's about 40 pounds. So give or take, not even close to 220, and it rolls pretty nicely. Got my gimbal in there, got my softbox, and as you can see, it rolls pretty nice and pretty smooth. So I do recommend it. So I want to give you guys an update because I just read a comment about on my last video, and one of the comments was, do I still recommend this wagon? How's it hold up so far? And I figure I make this video to reply back to that comment. So guys, I appreciate you guys taking the time watching this video. And listen, as a travel photographer, documentarian, consultant, I need it because technically I'm houseless and I need to, travel with my belongings in a safe procure. This is why I got a Pelican. This is why I got the Osprey, which I recommend the bag. But we are featured the TMZ bag. As you can, wagon. And as you can see there's been some wear on the rubber tires, but not much. These come with real ball bearings. That's the brake system there. So really reliable, and many people, even in New York City, while I was on my way to New York City, asked me, where did I get that wagon from? It looks so cool. It looks like it can take a beating. It can, actually. It took a lot of beating, actually. And you can see that even the brake here kind of bent, as you can see, from all the pushing down and locking it so it doesn't move on the subway or on the train. Yes, we took this on the NYC subway several times, and it held up pretty well. And people were pretty impressed with the wagon's portability, a structural layout, the functionality, and it's made out of real metal, actually, not aluminum, metal. So those off-park trail wagons, they are made out of cheap aluminum. Look, guys, look at the soldering on this. Really professional, really professional soldered it on. Yeah, other than that, I don't have no problems with the wagon. Other than maybe this here kind of is too sensitive to someone's weight, so it will kind of push down a little bit, but it would stop. So that's why I have it at a high point to put stuff in there. But I guess I wanted to give you guys an update on the wagon. I am going to leave the links to this wagon down in the descriptions below so you guys can purchase it. But other than that, I'm leaving for Boston. I don't know why I'm going to Boston, guys. I did not get my job that I really wanted. I did not get my job back that I really wanted back. But, I have to live, once again, on the grind, travel for work, and try to find some work as a photographer. So if you guys want to support the channel and support my travel fees, or want to contribute to this channel, please do so by subscribing, liking, and sharing. Now, if you guys want to financially support the channel, there's a PayPal, Cash App, and a Venmo down in the description below. But I definitely recommend this wagon 100% all the way, because this is really good wagon, and I'm already packed up and ready to leave. Only thing I have left to pack up is my laptop, which is going into my camera bag. I'm taking a tripod with me. But other than that, it's been really a good wagon. That's all I can say for now. With that said, everyone, this is Panda. Eat, sleep, photography, videography, and repeat. Be safe out there, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Happy shooting.